All right, truck drivers, quick question. I got a question for y'all. Where do y'all like to park at? Do y'all like to park at rest stops, Walmarts, cider, freeway, truck stops? Me personally, I hate truck stops because they're dirty as hell. Walmarts is cool, but you know, if you park over there, a lot of homeless people, they come through bothering you, knocking on your window, all kind of stuff. My best places to park always have been a rest area. It's so convenient and easy. You park there, boom. Unfortunately, it's no showers, and sometimes the bathrooms are kind of messy. But what I do, back when I was OTR, what I did was I always stopped at the truck stop, used the restroom, did my thing. Then I find a rest area. It's quiet, it's cool, it's convenient. Let me know y'all thoughts on this.